Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron Truck Mounts. We are now building a series of specialty products, and one of which is the Inline Filter Box. It's all stainless, 3/16 thick, with active coupling systems with threaded, so that you can be able to put the fittings on the inside as well as on the outside. And this will help be able to direct the inline or inlet debris will come down, and instead of sloshing on the back end, this is designed in the way that you want it to be designed. So when we add on our quick connect fittings and our 90, this will enable you to be able to have it all direct down inside the box or the strainer and not have to just get all messy in there. I mean, what's the purpose of an inline box? So you can have ease of maintenance. The Sapphire Scientific is not as well designed because there's no means of being able to thread a piece that's directing down inside the strainer. Instead, you know, you'd open it up and it'd be all sloshed all over the place. Some of it might make the strainer, and a good part of it will be on the outside of, or the outside of the strainer on the back end or the sides. You don't want that. Okay, the purpose of this inline box is to direct all the debris down into the strainer. So it's an all stainless strainer that we build, and it sets down on a stainless flange. Everything is stainless, 3/16 thick, very, very sturdy, lifetime warranty on this box. It'll never leak, it'll never dent. It's got mounting tabs, stainless mounting tabs with 3/8 holes. It's got an area down here for your gate valve, so you've got a drain here. And you've got two sizes coming in, 2.5 and 2. And we'll put the barbed hose connects on there to enable to be able to hook up 2 or 2.5 size hose. Stainless handle, nicely TIG welded. You're going to have a gasket on this soon tomorrow. This whole unit's going to be powder coated blue, ocean blue, with our Blue Baron insignia. So we have also straps to create tension on the lid, and the gasket's going underneath the lid, so it'll be an airtight connection. And so we're going to be selling these online, and it seems to be a good need for these because, like I said, you don't want to go into a recovery tank and stumble inside there with all the debris and have to lift a lid up with the smelly tank and just bumping your head off the roof of the van or truck trying to get in there to pull out a debris basket. We'll have this on the side of the slider as close to the machine as possible, or in the back end. That's easily reachable. Call us today at 727-505-2989, and we're taking orders in, and a lot of people are finding a great need for this inline filter box. So call us today. Thank you.